Hi y'all, Alaska Burger Review here. Might be a little spliced up there. I've got my phone camera here is what I'm starting with here on these reviews, so it's kind of dicey. Here's Mr. Mason in the back. He's really excited about this burger review. He likes all burgers, number one. But I already showed you a picture of this burger. I've had this before. Again, this is Homer, Alaska. It's a small town. It's kind of hard to, we're starting here in Homer with these burger reviews. And I live in a small town, so I've eaten this food before, and I know this is a good burger. They bake their own bread, their own hamburger buns here. They have McNeil Canyon meat, which is out east towards where I live, and hand-cut fries. See this? This is the real deal. That's a good french fry. Good color, it's still got the skin on it. Crispy. Still tastes like potato. That's the one problem I have with a lot of fries is that they're just crispy, or they're not good. They don't taste like potato. It needs to taste like a potato that was fried, not just like some crispy something you're eating with ketchup. And in these burger reviews, I'm going to tell you right now, if you want to get over a 9, you're going to have good fries. I don't care how good the burger is. This is a burger and fries review, because that's what you get when you get a burger. You get fries. So if your burger's the best, but your fries are not, you're never going to get over a 9 in my book. These fries have already established that if the burger's good enough, it could be a 9 territory here. Nice grill flavor. Smoky. Bacon's nice and crispy and good. Vegetables are fresh. Lettuce is nice. These guys never disappoint. Again, this is Baycrest Fuel. Shortstop is what they're called also. Right as you're coming into town here. This is a damn good burger. You can tell they really care about what they're doing there. You walk in the door and they're like, "Hey, you Chris?" You're like, "Yeah, it's me." They're like, "Cool, almost up." Seems really excited to be making food. There's this whole like Buddhist thing, I believe. Probably other cultures too. If you make food with half of a heart, whoever eats it will only be half. They'll still be half hungry. They'll only be halfway fed. So these people definitely, you can feel the heart in the food. They seem nice. The fries are excellent. Baycrest Fuel Burger, 9.3. That's a review.